Hello everyone, my name is Vivekanand and in this video we will explore how ancient Indian astrology, also known as Jyotisha, has influenced culture, traditions and human life for thousands of years. Before we move deeper, let's study what is astrology. And astrology is the study of planets, stars and celestial bodies and how their positions are believed to influence human life and natural events. In India, astrology is called Jyotisha, which means science of light. Unlike modern astronomy, which focuses mainly on scientific observations, Indian astrology combines mathematics, astronomy, philosophy, and spirituality. It follows the belief that the universe and human life are deeply connected and that planetary movements can reflect patterns in our lives. Three pillars of Jyotisha. Indian astrology is mainly divided into three branches. The first is Siddhanta, which focuses on mathematical calculations of planetary movements and eclipses. The second is Samhita, which is Mundane, which studies world events, weather conditions, and social changes based on planetary positions. The third is Hora, which is the predictive part of astrology. It deals with personal horoscopes, future predictions, and guidance based on person's birth details. Together, these three pillars form the foundation of Jyotisha. Next comes the Navagraha. Indian astrology also talks about the Navagraha or the nine celestial influences. Each planet represents different qualities of life, such as Sun, that is Surya, represents energy and authorities. Next comes the Moon or the Chandra, which represents emotions and the mind. Mars, which is Mangala, symbolizes courage and actions. Jupiter, which is Brihaspati, represents wisdom and prosperity. Saturn, that is Shani, is associated with discipline and karma. Rahu and Ketu are considered shadow planets connected with material desires and spirituality. These planetary influences are believed to shape human experiences and personality. Next comes the 12 Rashis. Indian astrology includes 12 zodiac signs known as Rashis. These are similar to Western zodiac signs but have unique interpretations. A person's Rashi is determined by the position of the moon at the time of birth. Each sign is connected with certain personality traits. For example, Aries is known for confidence, Taurus for patience, Leo for leadership, and Pisces for creativity and compassion. These rashis help astrologers understand personality and life patterns. Next comes the bhavas. Another important concept is the bhavas or the 12 houses of life. Each house represents a different areas such as personality, wealth, family, health, career, and relationships. Kundli. Based on the person's exact birth, time, and place, astrologers create a kundli, also called a birth chart. A kundli shows the position of planets at the moment of birth. Astrologers study this chart to understand strengths, challenges, and possible future events in a person's life. Next comes the cultural significance. Astrology plays a major role in Indian culture and traditions. Many families use astrology for marriage compatibility, choosing auspicious timings called muhurat, and planning important events. Even festivals and rituals are often connected with lunar and solar calendars. This shows how deeply astrology is connected with everyday life in Indian society. Next is the modern relevance and scientific debate. Even today, astrology remains very popular. Many people use astrology apps and online services for guidance and predictions. At the same time, the scientific community considers astrology a belief system rather than proven science because there is no strong scientific evidence supporting planetary influence on human life. However, astrology still holds cultural and historical importance, and many people continue to value it as part of Indian heritage. To conclude, Indian astrology is more than just fortune telling. It is a blend of mathematics, astronomy, philosophy, and spiritual belief that has been passed down for generations. Whether viewed as tradition, cultural heritage, or personal guidance, astrology continues to remain an important part of Indian knowledge systems.